It, it's not just J.R. Quinyan, it is plus the support, Javi. Kasi si Kong Eric kasi, he was there. He was at help, so he was able to see at the post.
No play needed on the other side as Robbie Darang fakes out everybody from the Valenzuela defense. And on the flip side, Nem de la Cruz answering able to get more minutes. Nem de la Cruz definitely one of them.
Oo. And again, he knows his role already. He was able to establish what kind of game he wanted here in the MPBL. So, he's been given leeway already na if he thinks that he can make those
For the first time for the Risers as well as Jeff Santos and RV Bringas.
This is a fresh new 5 again for the Risers.
Actually, yeah, that's correct. Even Alec Ramos is on the floor together with Ron Lastimosa.
Oo, parang ang substitution pattern is 5-5-5 eh.
Oo nga, para kay Coach Rene Baena, ganun ang nangyayari.
Oo, na-miss yata ni Coach Rene sa
Pasarel.
Sa Pasarel eh.
De Chavez has not yet been able to connect right there for Ron Lastimosa. Armenian now with the basketball. Doesn't use the Machon screen. Well, eventually does. Armenian from the elbow, the bounce. That's 2 points for Andre Armenian.
Yeah, soft touch there.
Pero kitang-kita naman sa replay na talagang gumalaw yung katawan nila.
Oo.
Santos, look out! There is Santos! 2 hands for safety! A blistering start to this. They will let the players play on here. 8 seconds on the shot clock here for Valenzuela. Armenian past the trap. Armenian gets fouled by Cristorado. Definitely was a lot of contact on that swipe. I don't think there was any need for Cristorado to go for that steal. There was already help defense in front of Andre Armenian. Both teams are already in the penalty. So Armenian will be taking 2 free throws here.
So there's a challenge.
A lot to argue for there. Take a look at it here. Got a lot of that wrist. Was Cristorado.
Hinatak na.
Hinatak na pababa eh. Armenian, this is his first trip to the line in this game. 6 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists.
Yeah, making up. Actually, they are in this situation in their last game versus the Quezon Huskers. Yeah,
2 for 2 for Andre Armenian. 12 out of 20 as a team.